It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you
Nahin na lang natin si Ingo. Ano masabi niya kay Darwin?
where we began.
Go!
Oh, I'll tell
Farewell to ako kay Darwin. Ano masabi mo kay Darwin?
Salamat na. Sa lahat.
Ano yung lahat?
All the planes we flew, the things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another time. I know we love to
Ano masabi mo? Paalam mo kay Darwin?
told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture.
Mali.
Those were the days, hard
May
work
S yun sa
forever
dulo.
pays. Now I see you in a better place. Talk about family when family's all that we got. Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side.
Lagay na lang niya sa baba. Ang ganda yan. Mura. Eba.
you, my friend.
Uy, Eba, tumingin ka dito. Ngeta naman, oh.
Where we
Ano masabi mo kay Darwin?
Wala.
Ano naman na
Knock
po?
na lang sa kanya.
No?
Tapos ayusin niya para...
Para makababa na siya ulit dito, no?
Maraming chicks sa accounting.
Pag bibili ka ng biscuit, baba ka na. Tapos, yung alcohol mo, kailangan ko tapos sisiyayin.
Oh, palatay ka eh.
First you broke,
Yeah,
so
Mike.
watch your way in the vibe is feeling stronger with small.
Magpaalam ka na kay Darwin.
To a bond and that bond will never be broken, the love will never be lost.
Siya,
When brotherhood come first and the
Yeah.
line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had
Kasi-
to be drawn and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone.
Yan na, kapit na sa course niyo. Mapuntahan mo.
lapit.
And then, walang ano ha, walang girls ha, kahit maraming girls dun sa likuran mo.
Girls?
Support, ano yung
Ako, walang ganyan sa mailing.
sana ha. Yun lang, good luck. So, yun na.
Ito, ang pinakamahalagang ano dito sa video na to, yung kapatid natin. Kapatid Jay. Kapatid Jay.
Tapos sa balik tayo ay darating. Sa ganitong pagkakataon tayo mag-iwalay-iwalay. Kabula na. Ano pa naman na sabi ni Ate Jess, maganda ako yung patutunguhan. Ngunit kami nababahala dahil sa hindi pariwala.
Go find.
Hanggat namin sila na umangat ka.
Yung ko.
Huwag mo kalimutan ang magagandang aral na ituro namin sa iyo. Sa
Kapatid.
ngalan ni Hans, ni Lawrence, ni Mike,
At pag nahuli ka,
John,
huwag kang amin.
at ni Charlene. Alam mo na ang golden rule.
Ano?
Pag nawala, huwag mo aminin.
Wala nga amin.
Tingnan mo, nakita mo yun.
Wala akong narinig.
Wala akong narisip.
Ano? Hindi na yan, kapatid.
Hanggang sa muli.
Basta Dar, tatandaan mo, yung payo ko lagi sa'yo, yung mga nakasira ng relasyon. COC, bike, Facebook, Viber. Lahat ng yon, isa-isa lang. Huwag mong bubuuin yung apat.
Damn.
Tandaan mo yun, ha?
All the planes we flew, good things we've been through.
Tigil mo na.
Now I'm standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. See you in a better place.